You're not broke because you don't earn enough money. You're broke because nobody ever sat you down and taught you the real hidden rules that govern wealth and money. The wealthy don't work harder than you do. They don't have more hours in a day. They simply play a completely different game with a completely different set of rules. Today I'm going to break down the exact 7 money rules they follow religiously. 7 powerful rules that cleanly separate the top 1% from absolutely everyone else on earth. These aren't vague self-help tips or motivational fluff you've heard 1,000 times before. These are the precise mental frameworks used by billionaires, hedge fund managers, and quietly wealthy families. Families who've built wealth empires spanning multiple generations. And here's the shocking part. Not a single one of these critical money rules was ever taught in any classroom. Rule number 1. Pay yourself first. This is the absolute foundation of wealth building and financial independence. Most people pay their bills first, buy things, and save whatever scraps remain. The wealthy do the exact opposite of what most people do. Before a single dollar goes anywhere else, they move 20% of their income straight into investments and savings. They do it automatically every single month, without thinking about it, without negotiating with themselves. The transfer happens before emotion or temptation gets any chance to interfere. Warren Buffett put it perfectly. Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving. Read that one more time and let it sink in. This single powerful shift in your financial order of operations is the difference between building real lasting wealth and running on a financial treadmill for the rest of your life. Rule number 2. Know the critical and essential difference between assets and liabilities. An asset puts money into your pocket every month. A liability takes money out of it. Your car is a liability. It loses value the second you drive it off the lot. Insurance, gas, and maintenance silently drain your wallet every single month. Your house, if you're paying a mortgage and it's not generating rental income, is also a liability. Most people think they own valuable assets. They actually don't. The wealthy obsess over acquiring real income-producing assets that work for them around the clock. Rental properties paying monthly rent. Index funds compounding automatically. Businesses generating cash while they sleep. Before you buy anything, ask yourself one powerful question. Will this put money in my pocket or take money out? That single filter will completely transform your finances. Rule number 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation at all costs. This is the silent, invisible wealth killer that nobody ever talks about. It destroys more fortunes than bad investments ever will. You get a raise and immediately upgrade your apartment. You get a bonus and buy a new car. Every single increase in income is instantly consumed by new spending. Psychologists call this destructive pattern the hedonic treadmill. The wealthy recognize it clearly and refuse to step on it. The more they earn, the more they save, never spend. The truly rich don't look rich. The millionaire next door drives a used Toyota and lives in a modest house. They channel every surplus dollar into compounding investments. In 10 years, they achieve complete financial freedom. In 20 years, they build generational wealth that lasts forever. All because they chose boring, steady consistency over flashy, temporary consumption. Remember this forever. Your real wealth is not what you earn. It's the gap between what you earn and what you actually spend. Guard that gap with your life. Rule number 4. Make your money work much harder than you do. Stop trading your precious time for dollars. This is where the real magic of wealth building truly begins. Albert Einstein himself reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the entire world. He said those who understand it earn it, and those who don't understand it pay it. If you invest just $500 a month starting at age 25, at average market returns, you'll have over $1.2 million by 60. Start at 35 instead, and you'll have less than half that amount. Time is the one asset you cannot buy back. Every year you delay costs you dearly. Don't try to time the market. Nobody can do it consistently. Instead, invest the same amount every single month, regardless of whether markets are climbing or falling. Here's your action step. Open a brokerage account today. Set up automatic monthly transfers into a broad market index fund. That strategy outperforms 90% of professional managers. Rule number 5. Never rely on a single income source. If your employer is your only source of money, you're always just one layoff away from complete financial disaster. Studies show the average self-made millionaire has 7 different sources of income. Not 1, not 2, 7 distinct streams. Your salary is just one stream among many real possibilities. Dividends from your investment portfolio, rental income from property, a profitable side business you can grow over time, royalties from creative work, and consulting fees from your professional expertise. Each stream you add makes you exponentially more resilient and anti-fragile. Lose one income source and you still have 6 others. That's not just wealth, that's real freedom. You don't need all 7 streams at once. Start with your primary job. Then add investment income. Then explore a monetizable skill. Stack them one at a time. Rule number 6. The single best investment you will ever make in your entire life is the investment you make in yourself and your own abilities, not stocks, not property. A single new skill can easily double your income within a year or 2. One powerful book can completely redirect your financial trajectory for decades to come. The wealthy never see learning as a cost or a burden. They see it as an investment with the highest possible return. Every dollar spent on genuine knowledge compounds forever. Learn to sell effectively and close deals. Learn to write code. Learn to speak publicly with real confidence. Learn to manage and lead people. These 4 skills are truly priceless. Find mentors who are already where you want to be. Study their decisions carefully. Model their daily habits. One conversation with the right person can save you a decade. And here's the incredible part. Most of this knowledge can be learned completely free on YouTube and the internet today. The information is all there. Will you use it? Rule number 7. Building wealth is only half the battle. You must also learn to protect it fiercely. Offense builds the fortune. Defense keeps it safe every single day. The wealthy use emergency funds, comprehensive insurance, proper legal structures, and smart tax strategies to shield their assets. Not because they're paranoid, but because they deeply understand real risk. One medical emergency without insurance. One lawsuit you didn't prepare for. One market crash with no safety net. A single financial disaster can erase decades of patient progress. Step 1 of your financial defense. Build a full 6-month emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. This is your financial oxygen mask. Put it on before anything else. Get adequate insurance coverage. Understand your full tax obligations. And never invest money that you truly cannot afford to lose. Defense wins championships in both sports and finance. Here's the uncomfortable truth no one wants to tell you. The real secret behind every wealthy person isn't a clever hack or lucky shortcut. It's pure, relentless discipline. It's about making boring, unglamorous, deeply consistent financial decisions day after day, month after month, year after year, decade after decade. That's the whole secret to lasting wealth. It's choosing delayed gratification in a noisy world that constantly screams at you to consume everything right now. These 7 rules aren't complicated at all. They're remarkably simple. The hard part is executing them consistently every single day when everyone around you isn't doing the same. That quiet patience and consistency is your real competitive advantage. Let me recap all 7 rules one final time. Rule 1, pay yourself first. Rule 2, know assets from liabilities. Rule 3, avoid lifestyle inflation. Rule 4, make money work. Rule 5, build multiple income streams so you're never dependent on just one. Rule 6, invest in yourself relentlessly. And Rule 7, always protect your wealth from disaster. The gap between where you are today and where you want to be financially isn't luck or talent. It's knowing and consistently applying these 7 fundamental rules every single day. You now know what most people will never learn in their lifetime. The real question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Your future self is watching right now. If this video changed how you think about money, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. I break down wealth psychology and real financial strategies every single week.